Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the max output purple strategy in Jump Showdown. This advanced technique focuses on maximizing your survival time while simultaneously pressuring other players. It demands precise timing and consistent movement, ensuring you stay on the platforms longer than anyone else. By mastering this approach, you will gain a significant competitive edge, allowing you to consistently reach the final rounds and secure victories. Let's dive into the specifics of this powerful method. To execute the max output purple strategy, optimal platform movement is key. Always prioritize moving to the most stable, non-rotating platforms as quickly as possible. Use short, controlled jumps rather than long dives to conserve your momentum and prevent overshooting your target. It's crucial to constantly anticipate the platform rotations and plan your next 2 or 3 moves in advance. This proactive approach minimizes panic and keeps you in control of your position. Precise jump timing is absolutely critical for this strategy. You need to time your jumps to clear the rotating bars with the absolute minimum height necessary. A good rule of thumb is to jump just as the bar approaches your character's lower body, not when it's at your feet. Avoid any unnecessary jumps. Each jump, no matter how small, carries a tiny risk of miscalculation or collision. Efficiency in movement is paramount for long-term survival. Finally, maintaining unwavering focus and adaptability are essential for the max output purple strategy. Keep your eyes constantly on your character, the platforms, and the rotating bars. Be ready to adapt your strategy instantly if a platform unexpectedly collapses or another player attempts to push you. Staying calm under pressure is vital. Panic often leads to costly mistakes and quick elimination. With practice, this focused and adaptable mindset will become second nature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.